Yo, guys, let me just
Hi.
just put that. So we are going to be doing a natural disaster survival challenge.
Yay!
Try to survive, guys. Sorry, my webcam doesn't work again. As you saw in the intro, right, guys? Right? You saw the intro, right? Yeah.
Maybe, maybe not.
Yeah, see, because it's not showing up, so I'll just put this right here where my webcam would be, and you don't have to look there. Alright, I'm ready. Or actually, I need to join a smaller server. Oh yeah, also, in case you guys are wondering how you find small servers, you just gotta join Roblox Plus. It's not on Roblox actually. It's an actual thing that you buy on the Google store or whatever. It's free though, so you don't have to really worry too much. So you're able to just kind of skip through.
Of course. Ooh.
Alright, 4 of 30 players. Let's join the servers. Alright, I'm gonna go full screen on this thing. Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Promotion. Yeah, Peter. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Let's go on the space shuttle, guys. Let's go, come on. We're getting on the space shuttle, Rashad, without you.
Okay. Wait, I need to do something real quick.
Oh, I don't think I should be going to the top of the tower, but I am. Because I want to go on this spaceship.
I want to be the very
best. And no one ever was. To test them is my real test.
Them is my real test. Train them is my cause.
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all.
Land, searching for
Don't stand open or in high places. Well, that's a catastrophe for me. Because I am sitting in a spaceship right now. I don't know if it's falling down right now or not. I should also probably be able to see my health bar. I don't really care. Oh my goodness, it's falling over. The spaceship has fallen over. It's falling over, I'm pretty sure, actually. It's just a thunderstorm. Oh yeah, guys, I had to modify my thing. I didn't like the way it was, I didn't like the old one, so I just added some new music, a little bit of different background. Still the same name, obviously, because I don't know why I changed my Roblox username or my YouTube name just for that. Oh, looking at you, Greg. Never mind, you like Mickey. No offense, people out there that like Mickey Mouse. I don't like Mickey Mouse too much. So far, YouTube channel is really building up. We're almost at 20 subscribers, guys. Come on, we gotta hit that. Gotta hit the thing. Checkpoint, I think. Anyways, that was easy to survive. You just had to kind of go in the space shuttle. Save as the day. An apple saves the day. Red apples last forever. Click now. Num num num. What does a red apple do, anyways? Sorry if I'm being loud, but what does a red apple do? Lucky Mart. Don't know where a Lucky Mart is. Rashad, what are you doing, anyways?
I'm doing this thing for an intro.
I really can't get over my new intro. I like the music. It's actually kind of sad, but whatever, who cares? I don't care. Yeah, I'm gonna stand right here, and if I have to go inside, I'll go in here. Oh, it's a volcano. It's a volcano. It's a volcano. Apa-da-bu-doo-be-da. A volcano. It's a volcano. I don't know why they put a Lucky Mark next to a volcano. It's a volcano. It's probably about to kill me. Volcano. It's a volcano. Holy moly volcano. Oh, look at that. It's a magma block. But it's not a volcano. Volcano. It's a volcano. It's a volcano. Volcano, it's a volcano. I don't know what to do. Volcano, with a volcano. I like the volcano life. Volcano, got the volcano. Got the volcano life. Oh yeah, nothing happened there. Just patch that up. Nothing to see here, kids.
Yeet.
Oh, it actually kind of like cools down after a little bit. Does nothing to my health. I'm standing on a dry magma wall. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's coming in slow.
Okay, any part of
Just kidding, guys. That part wasn't in slow motion. I don't have any skills with things. I actually do. I just don't want it. Anyways, I survived a magma block storm. It's not lava because lava doesn't shoot out like that.
Wow.
It actually flows out. Just kind of. Maybe if you made a lava flood. You know, lava floods would be cool. You got the buildings, you got the lava flood. Raving Raceway. This could either mean really anything actually. It doesn't matter what thing it is on. Just it's your mom, it's your mom. It's your dad, it's your dad, you know? If it's Twin Towers and then you get 2 planes, don't crash into the buildings. That was actually a really bad joke. I now regret what I've done. Let's go backwards on the track, actually. Why not? I also don't know if videos are 10 minutes longer. Or at least are able to be. These cars are so slow. Fire? Wait, what? It's just a random fire? Just out of nowhere, you know, fire. Actually, that makes more sense on a raceway. Look at the car went on fire. Imagine if you're like, oh, cool, I'm driving the car. And then the car sets on fire and you're like, oh, no, Dad, help me. And then your dad's like, get away from me. You're on fire because you picked the wrong car. I knew it. The yellow car was like fire. Get it? Wow, this fire is spreading quickly. I really think I should go over to the other end of the map. Oh my goodness, what is she doing? Why is this invisible? Is this so then you can have a pretend ramp? Oh my goodness. This is the end of the line, folks. No! I fell down! As I punch my screen and break it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Shoot. Well, that was the worst one ever. Look, it doesn't even affect you when you're over there. That's not even... This doesn't even make any... sense. When doesn't fire light on? Isn't fire able to light on fire?
Yeah, blue.
I mean, isn't grass able to light on fire? Oh my goodness, what am I thinking? Isn't fire able to light on fire, guys? Right? Right, Billy? You know, fire's able to light on fire, right? What? Well, I'm not crazy or anything. Okay, flash flood. It's gotta be a flash flood. Nope, it's a thunderstorm. No, actually sandstorm. I call it thunderstorm. Flash flood. I call flash flood. Everybody, it's a flash flood. Get up to the top. Oh, it's a winter storm or whatever. Forgot what it's called. Okay, just position myself like that. So I'm guessing. What exactly is this? Tornado! Oh shoot! Oh my goodness, it's heading right towards us. How do we get out of the building? Help! Help! I need out! Oh my goodness, I didn't get hurt from that fall, but I wonder if you fall through this one. Hey guy, come on, let's jump over the edge. Nope. Don't want to jump over the edge with me? I mean, come on, just jump over the edge. Like anybody's jumped over and died from that. I'm not going to show the pic. There's supposed to be a picture here and here and here and here. Just a big jump. Oh no! Oh no! It's got me! It's got my hair pieces. Or whatever. Oh yeah, go over there. Tornado. These items are still flying somehow. Oh my goodness, where's my headphones, hair, and my birdie? Birdie boy! Birdie boy! Oh yeah, you guys are gonna have to help me name my bird. Tweety, 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 Tweet. Tweety, Tweety, Tweety. Tweety, Tweety. Oh, yeah, Tweety. I think I'm going to name it Tweety. Hey, no. Where's my cat? I seriously can't find my cat. Wasn't able to find him earlier. Won't be able to find him now. Oh, there he is. Yeah, that's cute. You guys can't see him, but he's cute. I'll make a video about him someday. And the title will be Kanako videos, you know? Oh, I call Sandstorm or the cold one, whatever it is. Told you. Yeah, because my screen doesn't have dust on it. Your screen doesn't have dust on it. I told you it would be a sandstorm. Wait, so you gotta stay away from the sand, or what? Or from being hit by the items? Yeah. Nothing can hit you through the window. Oh my goodness, everything's getting thrown away. Ah! I didn't mean to jump out. Let me back in. Let me back in. Oh my goodness, the place is sandy. It's literally sandy. Oh my goodness, did I just get pushed by wind? Since when, bruh? Also, where's my birdie and my hair again? Why does this keep happening? I need my accessories, you know. It's not like I can't live without them. It's not like I could live without them, you know. I need them. They're part of my lifestyle, or whatever. Get out of the storm! I just got sand in my mouth, but you gotta get out of the storm, lady. The storm's coming for you. They're coming for you. The storm's coming. It's coming. Yeah. No, I understand that you're fat and strong at the same time, but the storm's coming. Or actually, it's already. Oh, what just happened? There's the lady that stood outside. I'm resetting my character. I can finally make 20-minute video, guys. Might even make a DIY video, guys. DIY videos. Do it yourself, bruh. I've never been on I've never. Why with the storms? All right, this time it's got to be like a winter storm or whatever they call them nowadays. You know, you can even hear the sad cries of the wind. Take me, thunder! Take me! Oh no, I gotta go here. Don't stand in high places. Oh man, I should probably get out of here. Oh my goodness, you can drive these things. Let me on. Let me drive. I'm part of the truck, okay, guys. Yo, God, some random guy. Oh my goodness, this guy's driving is dumb. So bad. Ah, dang it! The truck got shot down. And that's at the same time. Shot, you still there?
Yeah.
Oh. So he was here. There's all these screeches and voices that I was making. Man, look at them go. Can I join them? Okay. Well, hope you guys like that video. No. We gotta survive one not survive. More storms. I swear. The next thing is Acid Raid. That's another one. Yeah, Acid Raid would be kind of hard. Especially on like the school map. Or the carnival. I don't know. Come on, one more, and then I can end my video. What? He's still down there. They're still down there. Guys, don't worry. You gotta be safe. I think. I actually don't think you're gonna be safe. I really think you guys are gonna die. And just lose your life. How did she get a balloon? Copy yes. Oh, come on, another storm, seriously? I just don't like this anymore. What's with the storms? That's a sandstorm. It couldn't even be a winter storm. It was a sandstorm again. This is the second time you've made 2 storms. You've made 4 storms in a row, game. What is your problem? What is your freaking problem? Alright, I'm killing myself. I can't deal with this anymore. I don't deal with this anymore. Like I said, I don't like sandstorms. I don't like them. If I could stop this. Anyways, I hope you guys liked that video. I know I've been doing a lot of Roblox videos. Actually, no, I haven't been doing a lot of Roblox videos. I guess I'll do more Roblox videos? And different than the Impossible Quiz also, too. Might have a few Bandicam videos coming up because this program does not let me record freaking with my camera, so I can't do any DIY videos or anything like that. I was gonna do some freaking DIY videos, but apparently not. I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. I know you can't see me waving, but you know, my normal outro. Bye-bye.